How's it going, everybody? Beautiful day over here in Pahrump. I've been doing a little bit of artwork since I haven't been able to put up a turbine yet, and not sure whether I'm moving, going back and forth. My neighbor told me he would loan me his little tractor, so I'm gonna look into that. And you know what? I really don't care what the neighbors are gonna say. They just sold this house next door, the one they were building. I think on one of my videos I showed it. So now I can have that as a comp. Anyway, I've been doing some little bit of artwork. It's a little flower for my cousin. After I had cut this piece right here, there was enough room in there to do that, so I did it. And the problem is, this should have been somewhere around 4 feet. And the thing is, I cannot, even here or in Vegas, and I've called a few places, I cannot get anything smaller than 4x8. And that's just, yeah, it's way too big for me to handle. I got a trailer, but I can't. It's just a lot of hassle. So I'm trying to get something like 4x4. But yeah, it's, or at least, what, 4x24, so I can just make it longer, make it look nicer. It looks way too small, I think. Anyway, I just finished cutting some other pieces here, and I'm basically doing this off of my batteries. Where did I put it at? Yeah, that little piece for a friend of mine's wife. I just gotta clean it up, get all the dross off of it. And I got these, and I'll show where I got them. Just put this on the tip here and tighten it up, and it'll draw really nicely. I already tried, well, yeah, there you go. Tried it on there, but it didn't. I have to adjust it, adjust this little deal here, and I didn't want to go through the hassle and then readjust it again, because I got a few things going on right now. So I bought that one, and he threw this one in, see if it would work on my table, and I forgot I don't have an Omnic sensor on this, so I thought I'd give it to a friend of mine who I thought he did have, but turns out he doesn't either. But I assume it would work just the same. And these are pretty neat. I'm glad I did get it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. So I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of either cutting that or where is it? Right here. So again, this is supposed to be all, bigger. You're supposed to use bigger material. I had to go through each line and, get it right, because if not, you'll get a line, you won't get a shape. So there's a lot of, or this one here, I was thinking of cutting this one. It's not that complicated. The only thing is I gotta be right on top of everything, every part that falls. Make sure it doesn't trip the torch, even though it's a breakaway. Anyway, I'll come back after it's done. Well, I decided I'm gonna go with this eagle. I'm going to be able to film this thing, because if a part falls in there, I got to quickly pick it up with this. This is going to take a long time, so I'm going to pause it here. That's one. Well, it's not final. I still have to clean it up, paint it, and then just the other one. And I threw in a couple of hummingbirds there. I still gotta make them bigger. There was supposed to be some lines kind of up here, small lines, but it didn't recognize them, so it didn't even go there. So still practicing on this.